Used to want people to love me, so I learned how to sing. Then I thought I wanted money, so I could buy a nice thing. And when I found it, was as empty as could be. And now
Oh, is that a plow?
at my face above the bathroom,
Oh, that is awesome.
saying I want peace. It's where I am now. It's the only thing I haven't found somehow. There are other places, there are a million pretty faces, but I want peace. It's where I am now.
Good morning, family, friends. It is very cold. It is Christmas Eve here in Ontario, and we have just been slammed with Mother Nature and the storm of the century. So we were supposed to be having 18 for dinner. A lot of the roads are still closed, so we are just praying that we can still gather, but you know what? If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. So, we've had a few years, and my heart goes out to all of the families that haven't been able to be together during the holidays. This is the time of gathering with the ones we love, but unfortunately, between pandemics and weather, just doesn't seem to be happening. So we're going to go around and show you, as Frank is out plowing right now. Eli wants to go take the snowmobile for a ride. I've got the turkey in. We'll see whether or not, if they don't come, we'll be eating turkey for a long time. But anyways, stay safe out there, guys. Let's go have some winter fun.
When I found it, was as empty as could be, and now I'm staring at my face above the bathroom.
Oh, hi.
I want peace. Where
What are you doing?
it's the only
Ethan asked if you could go get him on the snowmobile.
What?
Ethan asked if you could go pick him up on the snowmobile.
Oh,
You think you could manage that?
yeah. It's the first time putting on the helmet this year. Oh my god.
Your brain get bigger?
That is way too small.
Are you joking?
No?
Oh my gosh, you grew so
Oh.
much.
God.
That fit you last year.
I know.
Is there you need your balaclava though, don't you? Oh, is it better without it?
Not much, no. It's too small. Can't. Ow. That's too small.
God, you grew so much in less than a year. 3 shoe sizes and what? A head size?
I don't know.
So are you gonna have to wear Daddy's helmet?
I'm not wearing Dad's helmet. I can't.
Too big. Oh my gosh.
It's way too big.
This is what I love about growing children. It's like the same thing with hockey gear, with ski equipment. You have enough to keep to outfit a small army, but nothing ever seems to fit.
That was too big or too small?
They're big too. You're just in between. Nothing average or ordinary about you, is there, love? All right, let's go have fun. Well, deep snow. and inexperienced drivers. It is literally up to my knees. He's stuck, coming to try to help me, and I'm stuck. So I'm gonna have to get my big boys out here.
If I had been driving the 800, it would not have been stuck.
Am I a bad driver?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Says who? I
least
see
I
your
had
sled
to-
over there.
You were going down the hill and you were holding the brake.
I was not holding
Yes,
the brake.
you were.
I was going fast, but then it started to pull over.
Then you gotta go faster. I was gunning it, but guess what? I was going 20 kilometers an hour.
Oh, Daddy's our
Okay,
hero. Hey, Eli,
film this one, film
okay,
this one.
so I didn't think to film all of this, but Daddy got us out. And there's a technique which I will not share because let's hope he doesn't get stuck again. But we'll show you with this one how he gets it out. I'll videotape this one. He's been riding snowmobiles his whole life. Eli and I have not, clearly. Okay. Let's see if we can understand how to get these things unstuck. This one's a little worse, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is this one gonna be a little easier?
No.
No?
No. This one's heavier. And there's a lot of snow here. Okay, we need to grab the back. We need to look down there. There's your help.
We need my help, okay.
Yeah.
Coming back, guys.
What we're gonna do.
Step one was to get it out of the hole it was buried in onto hard snow. But Frank says it's still going to be hard because it's going to want to lean. Because it was on a bend. And that's why I was afraid I was going to hit the trees.
A new year just beginning. These days bring you home. Oh,
When you're doing this one, the way it's leaning, if I stay on the left side, I'm going to want to keep pulling it to the left, right? So I'm going to go on the high side, and I'm going to pull it towards this way to try and keep it going.
But you don't ever get on it.
No, you can't get on the snowmobile. If you get, now with this one, because it's a much high power snowmobile, you got to hook on this to yourself because it's going to want to keep going.
That's the kill switch.
That's the kill. So I'm going to have to keep this, it's going to have to drag me. The snowmobile's going to drag me probably a good 20-30 feet, and then as soon as I let go, it'll keep going and I'll knock it off with this, and that'll turn it off. This one doesn't, I know that one looked easy, but this is not. This one's about 250 pounds heavier. Heavier. So I want to stay this way as much as I can.
We would have been here all day trying to dig it out. I just wanted to take my pups for a walk. All right.
This thing, I was hitting it for like 40.
I know. There's no snowmobile that's meant for this kind of snow.
Say that again?
There's no snowmobile that's meant for this kind of snow. snowmobiles, the only snowmobile that's meant for this snow is a long track sled with big deep paddles, 2-inch paddles. This is a 137 with an 1.25-inch paddle on it with a spike. This is a trail sled. It's not meant for this kind of snow. So as soon as you get out here, it just buries you. Or you can keep on it. If you keep on it, then you're fine. Let's jump on the back. Let's go.
Oh gosh, guys, that was fun. We got the snowmobile stuck, but we got the dogs out for a walk and they had some energy. Crazy thing, like I'm ready to cancel Christmas here and probably likely will, but Amazon courier drivers are still out getting it done. Christmas Eve. Bless them. Anyways, wishing you all a Merry Christmas. Hopefully you have a great year and still able to gather with your loved ones. Okay guys, hi there. It's the next day. I just wanted to come to you and tell you that we had a beautiful Christmas Eve. Today is Christmas Day. Unfortunately, majority of the family was not able to make it yesterday for our dinner. We did have a few of the kids and their significant others together, but they weren't all able to make it in. The roads were all closed around our region and our area, so we made the most of it. We counted our blessings and realized that many people spent the evening on airport floors and in ditches. It was actually quite a winter storm that blew in, so we're here enjoying the remnants of what Jack Frost blew in. Quite the winter storm, but there is something beautiful about the snow and a white Christmas.
Open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells,
I walk these trails often with the puppies and with the dogs, and we've been living in this property. We've lived here since 2017, and there's nothing quite this beautiful. Like, I've walked through all the seasons, through all the trails, and there's just something beautifully disastrous about this weather. It prevented families from being together, but it's just beautiful. Check this out. He loves the snow too. Oh my gosh. It's just the way it clings to the branches, and you just forget to look up. And there's so much beauty up there. It just is so pretty. Some people say the snow is yucky and cold and needs to be plowed and all of that stuff, but it is pretty. But the weight of the snow on the trees, the older trees, can't handle it. A lot of them are breaking off. You can hear the cracking probably shouldn't be walking through here. Probably not the safest place to be. Guys, isn't this just beautiful? Oh, so peaceful. I can't believe I get to call this place home. It really is. Oh boy. Hi, baby. Good girl. This way. Come this way, guys. Oh my goodness, you guys. I honestly don't think I've ever seen anything quite so pretty. I feel like I'm in Narnia. Hi, baby. How are you doing? Come on. I gotta go through the trees. They're all weighed down on the trail. So I gotta go through them all. I'm getting soaked. I'm ruining all this prettiness. Oh my goodness. All right. I had to walk through all those trees covered in snow and got a little snowy myself. Oh, it's so pretty out here, guys. If you were dressed warm for the weather, this white stuff ain't so bad. Stay put. Hopefully you have what you need and you can enjoy all of this beautiful splendor Mother Nature had in store for us this Christmas season. Wish I could share this with everybody. Well, I kind of am, I guess. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed. Merry Christmas. Until next time, stay safe and keep living.
There are other places, there are a million pretty faces, but I want peace, it's where I am now. Used to worry about the future, but the future never came. Tried living in the past, but never did quite feel the same. I used to think that there was a place I would rather be, till I got there enough times to